today in St. Charles Parish for the second STEM Fest of a 4-part series for our Bridge to Innovation Super Bowl 59 Host Committee STEM series. This STEM Fest is in partnership with Entergy, Chevron, Dow Chemical, Venture Global, and Ochsner, as well as Greater New Orleans Sports Foundation.
I'm excited to be here today with STEM Nola, the Super Bowl Host Committee, and many other companies who are putting on this STEM activation, Bridge to Innovation. When I got here this morning, I was so excited to see all of the students. They wanted to touch all of the different hands-on activations. We have cranes, we have engines, there are robots, there are so many things that can help students make connections between science, technology, engineering, and math, and everyday careers as well as problems. As I was driving up River Road, I saw a crane. I was so happy when I then saw a hands-on crane activity. It's important that we enable students to translate from the academic subjects to real-world problems and things that are impacting their everyday communities.
We saw the whole Milky Way galaxy, we both saw a bunch of stars, and we saw all the planets and how they line up together. And then we were able to get zoomed in from all the way from outside the galaxy, and then we zoomed right into Earth.
It's carbon dioxide. It'll blow.
So this is really important. Bridge to Innovation is one of our many Super Bowl community engagement activities. So like I said, the Super Bowl is going to be here, but it's going to leave. But these are one of the programs such as Bridge to Innovation where we want to make sure that there is a lasting impact on the community and, for years to come. So partnering with STEM Nola for Bridge to Innovation is really important because we want to make sure that the kids, students of all ages, K through 12, have hands-on experience with science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, right? As we know, the world is evolving daily, by the minute, by the second. It's very important that these kids have harnessed and experienced things that will spark their imagination. We may have the next Einstein that comes out of this group, so it's really important to have these types of events to give kids real-world experience in STEM.
Critical for Entergy to support organizations and programs like STEM Nola to ensure that we have the workforce that we need to be able to power the future of our communities. We need engineers, we need scientists, we need chemists, we need all of the disciplines of STEM. And we believe if you can see it, you can do it. And so providing students with hands-on STEM learning opportunities is critical for us. We have a goal of providing 50,000 students every year with hands-on STEM learning opportunities, and STEM Nola is a critical partner in helping us meet that goal every year.
Right now we're doing coding. She's teaching us how to move the animals and how they do motions and how you can add other animals to them to do motions and stuff like that. I don't really know because this is my first time doing coding, but she's teaching me, so I'm getting it real good. I don't know because she's just explaining if you want to change the motions, you can do that. If you want to add characters, you can do that as well. It's real simple, real easy. So if you catch on to it.
Perfect.
Oh no, 这个感觉，你的 next page 跟我们小孩，it's